Hello, my friends. I look suspiciously like Albert Einstein, but in fact, I am the good spirit of iProcess. And today I want to talk about something that keeps coming up with many of our clients who want to keep up with the strides of time and to get ready for the future of software-defined vehicles, or SDVs. What that is, you ask? Well, we talk a lot about agile, continuous integration and validation, tailored processes, toolchain integration und so weiter. But no, those are all things you can decide to implement as an organization and then you do it. No, let's talk about something that cannot be done with money or by decision. Let's talk about engineering culture. So here are 5 tips for a modern, agile and successful culture. First and foremost, empower the engineers to do what the engineers do best. Engineering, it's in the name. Giving them the power to make decisions and decide on solutions not only gets the best out of them, it is also a very successful way to raise their happiness in the teams. And engineers who are seeing their personal influence in the product are more likely to give the extra bit of effort to make it outstanding. That leads me directly to the second tip. Be okay with mistakes happening. A good engineering culture embraces mistakes and failures as a source of learning and to get better. After all, if mistakes are punished, engineers become very hesitant to try new things, and that in the end prevents them from innovating. Another challenge many established and large companies are facing is to let go of old habits, procedures and solutions. You won't believe how often I hear this statement. We do it that way because we always did it that way. The problem is obvious, isn't it? I mean, how can you solve the puzzles of tomorrow with the toolset of yesterday? With that being said, here's tip number 4. Allow new ideas from other industries. Things like continuous integration, for example, have been around in the development of computer software since the early 1990s. Over-the-air updates have been used in IoT devices for many years now. By learning from these industries and allowing established technologies to enter the automotive world, our industry can leap forward significantly. And last but not least, my favorite one. Be okay with a little chaos. Engineers need the chaos to function well. Not everything has to be predefined and micromanaged. As I like to say, only simple minds keep everything in order. Geniuses manage the chaos.